Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder TRS, stock reference number 5015. This shape runs from the 10th month 2013 through to the 4th month 2021. It has a VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand headlight, left front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage, power lift tight, right hand taillight, right hand tailgate garnish, right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage apart from missing the lower mould, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sunglass holder type and sunroof type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.